Hey there and welcome. Today I am going to be unboxing these fairy lights. They are about 33 feet, 32.8 feet, and they sync to music. So we are going to open them up and try them out. All right, let's see what comes in the box. Comes with a remote control, and it comes with a USB-A cable and a plug, and also the lights with a little controller. So we will plug it in and see how it looks. I'll take you over to my desk to show you. So I have it plugged in, and I am gonna plug it into the remote control and we'll check it out. Ooh, all right, pretty. Let's see. This is what the lights look like. This is the remote. I'll pull it out and we'll test them out. So testing. This is the music sync. So with any noise or music, it should display la la la. And here is the music sync. Here, this is a different kind, version 2. And then here's version 1. Do. Nice. This will be cool. All right, so for the holidays or for your office or your game room would be nice. It does come with different modes, so we can try them out. Mode 1, Mode 2, and Mode 3. Mode 4, they look kind of the same. Here's Mode 5. Let me try Mode 4. Mode 4, Mode 3. You have to really press the buttons. So this is Mode 3, Mode 4, and Mode 5. Oh, and it also helps to be pointing it at, at the device. And then it has a timer, a 1 hour, a 4 hour, and an 8 hour timer. And it looks like you can even control how bright it is. That's it. That's pretty cool. Just like really nice fairy lights at a good price point. I think it has a good value. This is the RFID, or not RFID. Is it? I don't know. But this is for the remote control to match up with. So make sure to do that. And then you also have on-off buttons. Can you see? On-off buttons on the controller, as well as you can choose the color and the different music syncs. All right, so definitely a cool little light accent for your room, your game room, your kids' room, or even your car. You could put it into a USB port in your car and plug it in. It doesn't come with a block, and it's really handy that it does come with this remote control. I would recommend.